Hello, let me make an introduction to my workplace, my setup. I love the color black, as you can see everywhere here, and yeah, lots of, so everything here is in black, except of my table, that's normal. So let's take a look at my Dell keyboard. I think it is really practical and beautiful. This is my Lenovo mouse and Lenovo ThinkCenter processor. This is my Philips monitor and also my Omega music box. It's Bluetooth and cable box and it's really cool, black also. At the moment I'm learning Python, and to learn Python I'm not doing any online course, I'm just learning with this beautiful book from Warren and Caspar Sunday. Hello World for Python. It's in German at the moment, but I think yeah, there is an English version for this book, and it's really cool for every age and every level of programmers. Here they are, Visual Studio Code. At the moment I'm creating my personal website, so there is not that much to see here because I recently started with it. And I don't have that much time to code with it because it's like I have exams in school at the moment. So when I finish this school year, I am going to practice more with code and to finish it. Browser I use is Mozilla Firefox, and I've added so many extensions and add-ons here. And also daily for busy developers because yeah, I think everything I need, I just see here, beautiful news and awesome messages for web developers, projects, examples, and so on. So I hope you liked this introduction to my setup, and see you in the next video. Bye!